One morning, I found a pool of water in my garage, and it was coming from this ruptured water heater. I took this as an opportunity to upgrade my water heater to this tankless water heater. I was desperate to get this fixed as soon as possible because I was missing my hot shower. I'll be using a 3-inch diameter for air intake and exhaust. This is the exterior cover for the intake and exhaust fan. This here is the temporary gas line, water, electrical, and condensation line. I'm waiting for all the parts and pieces I ordered to come in so I could permanently install all these lines inside the wall so it could be hidden out of plain sight. This is the moment of truth. I'll turn it on and see if it works. Recommended hot water temperature is 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Test result shows 121.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect. Okay, here's the hard part. We're gonna reroute the gas line inside the wall. We're also gonna reroute the hot and cold and also electrical lines inside the ceiling and wall. So all this junk here won't be seen. Since the new water heater is wall mounted, we won't need this old pedestal used for the old water heater. We'll end up getting our space back. This white PVC pipe is going to be used for the condensation drip line. I'm gonna need to cut open the sheetrock a bit more. I hope I could put all this back. This is the 120 electrical line that's gonna be powering the unit. Next, I'm going to cut and pipe in the gas line. I just cut the old existing gas line located in the ceiling, and then I'll be relocating that to the new water heater location. This is my homemade solution to test for any gas leaks. Next is to reroute the cold and hot water lines in the wall. I'll be using PEX piping. This red pipe is the hot water line. I ordered service valves for the water heater for future ease of service. This is the only soldering job I'm going to be doing. The rest of the pipes will be using crimp fittings and push fittings. This blue pipe is going to be for the cold water line. Now it's time to tidy up the electrical lines. I installed two 120 electrical outlets, one for the water heater and one for future use. One downside about having a tankless gas water heater is if the power goes out, you're not going to have any hot water. This is my DIY battery power pack. I'm going to see if I can power this hot water heater with this battery pack in case of power outages. This watt meter shows the water heater uses about 60 watts at 2 amps when in use. I'd say that's equivalent to powering a regular incandescent light bulb in your house. It's time to put back all the sheetrock and patch everything up. This coat of paint will protect the wall from accidental water spills. This is the finished product, and after a month of use, it feels really nice to know I have endless hot water at my fingertips, and I don't have to conserve the hot water for the next person to shower.